And it looks like it's going to be a nice weather weekend here in southeastern North Carolina, but there is a little bit of rain on the way. We'll take a look into that. Pattern change by midweek and more in just a couple minutes. George out again today, looking at the satellite radar composite first off and looking at clear skies across the region most of the evening time hours. Actually a pretty nice evening out there with just a passing high cloud or two, but some more clouds on the way from the west, making their way through Georgia, crossing the Savannah River into South Carolina right now. And this is what we'll be having overnight tonight and most of the daytime tomorrow. A lot of clouds around, some high cirrus clouds, and really that's about it. It's not quite as warm as it was today, it looks like, but still a rather warm day for this time of the year on tap for your Saturday. 76, 64, the high and low for your Friday. 65 is normally what we see for a high. With all the clouds we had early this afternoon, temperatures really didn't go up too much, so we stayed 11 degrees, 12 degrees between high and low today. 42 is our normal low, 88 and 21 are the records, and no rainfall out at the airport for the day. First Alert Neighborhood Network takes you outside our studios here in Shipyard Boulevard, currently at 64 degrees, a light southwesterly wind right now, so not much of a heat index or wind chill right now. One more stop takes us downtown to the Battleship, 67 degrees there. And around the region, temperatures are generally in the 60s, a few 50s out there, especially away from the coast. 55 Elizabethtown, 57 in Clinton, 63 now here in Wilmington, 64 in Southport, 59 up in Jacksonville. Across the region, temperatures are generally upper 50s and low 50s, 60s near the coast, 50s farther inland, 40s up in the mountains right now, even kind of coolish out by the Outer Banks in the 50s right now. Here's our pattern that is responsible for our warm weather that we have right now. The upper air pattern is such that we have a big ridge of high pressure. The jet stream, which steers all the weather systems, has taken a jump to the north, and that's allowing warm weather to make its way up and down the east coast and all across the southeast U.S., which has brought us the warm weather the last couple of days and will bring us some warm weather through the rest of the weekend. Big trough of low pressure helping to allow cold air to sink in across the Rockies and northern plain states. But once we get towards, say, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or so, middle to latter parts of next week, that trough scoots its way eastward, and that means cooler weather on tap for us for the middle and latter parts of next week. We'll look at that in more detail in just a moment. Mostly cloudy skies tonight, down around 56 with a south to southwest wind 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, a few showers possible, mainly away from the coast, topping out mid-70s or so, staying in the mid to upper 60s near the water, though, southwest to south winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Along the coast, a little nicer than it was today. Southwest winds at 5 to 10 knots, 2 to 5 foot seas, waters at 53. High tide at 5:30 in the morning, low at noon, and a moderate threat of rip currents for Saturday. 6+1 forecast. Well, it's going to be really warm, Fran, on Sunday and Monday, back close to 80. I know you're loving that, aren't you? Yeah. And though we do have some changes for Tuesday, that's kind of our transition day. We get some showers and thunderstorms in here for Tuesday when we only top out in the upper 60s. It cools back off quite a bit for Tuesday night into Wednesday with lots of sunshine on the way for Wednesday, a few more clouds on Thursday and Friday, and a little cooler on Thursday and Friday as well. So not quite time to put the jackets away just yet, but enjoy the shorts weather this weekend for sure.
Yeah, I was hoping we were through with the 50s, but looks like maybe next Friday that could be the
Yeah,
case.
possibly next Friday, but you know,
Let's not even think about that right now.
We'll worry about that later.
That's right. Thanks, Mark.